Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Saisra Malayala and you are watching NITL Lifestyle. So yesterday night I was unable to close the video. So now everything is completed on the Tirumala, which is on the top, and now we are waiting for our vehicle. So we'll get into that and we'll load our luggage into that. And we'll get in and we'll go down, and we have to have our breakfast and followed by Padmavati Amma Darshan. And then according to plan, Talakona waterfalls, which is 60 kilometers from Tirupati. So let's see what we are going to do today. Alipiri Metlu. So we didn't choose this one because this is this is closed now. Super. Sound cheyakandi. So this is the Alipiri Metlu anamata. So Jinkalu. Deer forest, on this way, if you travel now, I said no, so you will find this deer park also. So you can see here all the deers on here. Aim kaadu, silent undandi. A total of 45 turnings will be there. Till now I think 20 completed, 22. So another, where is the number, bro? Where is the number? Another 22 left. So I will show you the numbers, right? Just see the 21. So still 21 is there. Just completed my breakfast and waiting for them. So once they come in, we have two temples here. One is Padmavati Ammavaru and one more is Srinivasa Mangapuram. So two temples. If we complete that, we will go to Talakona waterfalls. But smart city works are under progress. Maybe another 2 years more to complete all these flyovers. Garuda Varati. Here we have to enter. So there inside you will be having a temple. So there we have to take. This is Padmavati Ammavaru Tirchanur. From here we will go to Srinivasa Mangapuram. So Ammavari temple. Completed the darshan here. Waiting for the vehicle. Once it comes, we'll go to Srinivasa Mangapuram. So there also Balaji Devasthanam. So here is the entry. After 17 kilometers of drive, so we are here at Srinivasa Mangapuram temple. So here also so here also Balaji Devasthanam, as I already said. So Vishnuvardhan, he is my long-term friend. He is coming. Hey, Abbo! Hey, shock! Illa surprise. Deva. Dawn of CSC, NIT Warangal. Da. Another 15 to 16 kilometers more. So here we have a check post. So where we need to pay something like tax, toll tax, something like that. So for our tempo traveler it is 100. We paid that, and and they said that till 4 o'clock only there will be they allow inside the they allow to the water into the waterfalls. So after 4 o'clock they are not going to allow, and after 9 o'clock they are not going to allow inside this check post. Photo shoot. Hey. Thank you, Aki, for bringing my cap.
Okay.
Very peaceful route. Photo shoot, Reached Talakona. So here we have one more temple. So we are taking darshan and then we'll go there. So a little bit of trek followed by, then we will be able to see the waterfall, it seems. So let's see. It shouldn't be a big task like yesterday. So hope so. Fingers crossed. So So here is the gate. So the ticket which we took at the forest department, right, 100 rupees. Ticket we took there, we have to submit it here, we have to show here. So then they will verify, then they will allow us inside. So it's like something like jungle safari. Just chota sa. Very crazy route. Here at Talakona waterfalls. Very scenic, right? Crowd is there more than what we expected. You can see total. That road is totally blocked and here it's full of vehicles here. Yeah, like I can hear the sound. Actually, like Meghanaka and Minnu, and they were totally prepared for this. They bought even shoes also, even though they also asked us to bring. But I was like, hey, chalta, no issues. Actually, now also no issues at all. I have experience of walking in dangerous places than this, so no issues. Something like small pool here. It's not a waterfall, it's just a pool. It's a deep forest, that's it. Hope no tiger or lion come out of this. Mostly it won't come. But we can't predict the situations, right? నువ్వు కనిపిస్తలేవు పొట్టి.
వాటర్ సౌండ్
You can hear the sound, right? ఉంది ముందు ఉంది. సౌండ్ వస్తుంది అదనే. సౌండ్ ఈజ్ హియరింగ్ అరా. సూపర్ రా. నేర్చుకో ఏం కాదు, ఇంకా చాలా టైం ఉంది. Here is a water flow, and that water I think mostly it is coming from that waterfall only. This is manageable. The one which we did is yesterday. Wow, it's horrible, man. It's mostly here not like the steps, only it's something like a road kind of thing. Only in some places we can find the steps, but yesterday, like you have seen, those who seen yesterday's video, they know it. This is totally Sheshachala forest. Started Jinx King. I'm a Jinx King. Just now I said yesterday's was horrible and today is manageable. Just see. Oh ma, it's better than yesterday. No issues.
But you can enjoy.
You can see deep forest this side, and alongside both the sides we can find total full of greenery. Just asked the people who are coming from the opposite side. They said only 5 more minutes. If we walk like this, we can see the view of waterfalls. Again, photo shoot started.
Yes.
Yes. Hey, this tree is very good, bro. It's something like, come on.
Yeah.
This fellow, what he's doing? Showkid. Showkid Saitarun Malayala. One step, that's it, gone. We'll go into that water. So this railing is not available at each and every place. I think it got distracted. Hey, photo shoot fellas. Come. The best thing about this particular waterfall is we have some way to walk here. There are many like beautiful waterfalls in Telangana too, but those are like unseen waterfalls. If you can watch that Ride with Vijay video regarding waterfalls, greater waterfalls of India, like you will get a like good number of
Memories.
like waterfalls list in Telangana too. But the tourism is not much developed there, so Telangana government should do something regarding that. Search Ride with Vijay like waterfalls of Telangana. You will get a series of videos you can watch, really enjoy that, his shots and everything. Like he explored the unseen waterfalls. Like there you don't find such kind of roads also. Like he used to trek each and every place and he used to show everything. So let me show you some trailer of this particular waterfalls. I hope you can see here. Okay, let me show you with back camera. See here, just a trailer. Hope more than what we are seeing here. Let's go there, go near to that. You want me zoom? Okay. Yeah, you can see here, right? But these hills are really huge. These are like this totally is under Sheshachala forests. This place is becoming even more scenic as we come inside to very near to waterfalls. Wow.
Wonderful.
Hey.
Yeah. Okay, vlogger.
At vlogger. Paisa vasool you man. Really cool, right? Water flow should have been even more than this. Like if water flow is really good, this looks even more beautiful than what we are seeing now. Even though it is rainy season, I don't know why water flow is less. Still we have steps from here, so we can go till there. So but we decided not to go there because we don't have time, as well as like we have to at least enjoy here for some time. Karuna, go Karuna. Done with the waterfalls. Enjoy. Okay. Finally, you can see once again. Changed my dress and started journey back to Arunachalam. So maybe from Talakona waterfalls it is 200 kilometers. I think we already covered 30 kilometers. Pasak. हमारा गोकुलतली is suggesting छोटा roads, so we are following that. So until and unless like we should reach Chittoor. Once we reach Chittoor, so we'll get onto highway. So that will like from there we can increase our pace. How much is predicted time Indra? అదే చెప్పురా. So Google mother Google Talli is saying that we will reach Arunachalam by 9:05 p.m. And you know what, in Tamil they call it as Tiruvannamalai, not Arunachalam. So another 100 kilometers left to Tiruvannamalai, that is the what is it, Arunachalam. Right man, thank you. Okay, and I think we are crossing a lot of food processing companies. Like this smell is horrible, man. Appa, once again started. Dangerous. Even though we like close the windows, we are getting that smell. We crossed AP RTO checkpost, like followed by TN. Arunachalam is in Tamil Nadu. Also crossed TN RTO checkpost, and same like APTS, we need to pay some tax here, which is 3,000 change. So we did that, and we just entered. Almost, it is not officially Tamil Nadu, but you can see like name started in Tamil. So next big city which we can which we enter will be like Vellore, and most of you already know VIT Vellore, right? Vellore Institute of Technology, and we just stopped here for a small break of dinner or having cup of tea. So another 94 kilometers left till Arunachalam. And one more thing, like officially this is not the border, but I don't know why already Tamil names have started. So still I think another 10 to 15 kilometers left for the border. I can see in the map, right? So based on the map, this is not the like Tamil Nadu officially. Maybe like don't know the reason. Okay, so huge change in the plan. So we like previous plan was to go to Arunachalam, right? Just stopped here for having a quick dinner in the sense we didn't have lunch, and we didn't have dinner, right? Usually breakfast plus lunch is called brunch, right? So just we named it as dinner. Okay, and so Arunachalam is cancelled due to like Tamil Nadu, some festival is going on there, and we just called one hotel guy, and like we inquired. So what he said is today, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, 3 days temple is shut. So like, reason is like if like as the festival is going on, chance of huge crowd is more, right? So that is why they have shut the temple for 3 days. So we came here, and if at all we just know before exactly 5 to 6 kilometers back, 3,000 would have been saved, because we paid road tax here, Tamil Nadu road tax to enter Tamil Nadu. So no issues, 3,000, right? Okay, so now what shall we do?
So now we are thinking to go to Kanipakam. So because this is the nearest place.
I think most of you already know Vinayakudu, right? So Varasiddhi Vinayaka Swami will be there in Kanipakam, which is 36 kilometers from here, and to worship like God tomorrow morning, and then
We'll
check out from there, and we'll leave to Srisailam. Chalo, bye. So once again back to RAYC Satram Kanipakam. So you can see here on the back, how many of you can remember him? So he is Konijeti Roshe garu.